Okay, start. Start already. Today, January 29, 2016. This is a Be Kind to Pets veterinary educational video discussing about a rare case of Malar abscess in the cat. Malar refers to the premolar tooth, the upper ones, which have been infected. Now you can see in this drawing, you just see this drawing first, although it's a dog, but it's the same problem. The premolar tooth in the cat, the root here is infected. So the bacteria travels through upwards to the skin, because they are quite close to each other. So from the root to the skin is only a few millimeters, so it travels up and forms a hole. This hole is called a fistula. Fistula is the passageway between one mucous membrane from the gums to the external. So it's like a drain, so it's called fistula. So there's another name for it, it's called oronasal fistula. Oronasal, no, oral is mouth, nasal is the nose, so oronasal fistula, there is a proper word for it. So this drawing shows that how the malar abscess is formed. Before the fistula shows, there will be a malar abscess because it has not ruptured yet. Now this cat, you can see here, this cat was 2 days ago. We had a big malar abscess here, and there was a hole here, a fistula here, which would never heal. Would never heal because of the bacteria keep on attacking the nasal passages, nasal sinus here. So now you can see that 2 days after I've done the extraction of the rotten premolar tooth, the hole is closing by itself. You can see that, and of course the cat is feeling better and it's not so swollen. Now malar abscess in a cat is very rare compared to dogs. Now this swelling was much bigger, about 2 times bigger. You can see the other video, and it was very painful. So now, after the extraction of the premolar tooth, or malar tooth we call it in the cat or dog, or the carnassial tooth, which is the upper premolar tooth of the upper jaw. They have two, one this side, one this side. So in some cases, the dog or the cat get both swelling, but in this case, this part is not swollen. You see, it's not swollen. So this one, the teeth is okay. The teeth is okay. Okay, so now the cat doesn't allow me to touch him. Okay. So anyway, you just show the 2 days ago. You just show here. I have the photos, images there to no, just show the cat, the heel one. The heel one. Okay, just show the heel one. Understandably, it's quite painful. So we have been given medication, so he's quite fed up. But you need to give antibiotics for several days, and you can see how thin it is. I see how thin, because the owner had not sent for treatment. And see that you can feel the bones. Now, this case we did take a blood test, and a very interesting finding is that the blood test shows that the blood test before the operation shows that you don't need the light actually. It shows that my internet not very good. The video. Okay. Anyway, the blood test shows that total white cell count is high, neutrophils are high, and platelets are low. So this cat had septicemia because of these 3 factors: bacteremia and septicemia. So that was why it's so thin, because the blood is full of bacteria and toxins. Now, there's another interesting finding, that is the cat has high eosinophils, 6%. Normally they have less than that, maybe 1% or so. So there's a condition in cats called eosinophilia, eosinophilic granuloma complex, where they form ulcers inside the mouth. There's one of the conditions, and there's a lot of eosinophils inside the bloodstream. So this is cat has two, Malar abscess and the eosinophilic granuloma complex. So it's a more rare case than just Malar abscess alone. Okay, finish. Thanks.